हाँ जी जनाब अली ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड ग्राउंड में ये देखिए पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट है और मैच है आज इंग्लैंड और इंडिया का। बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है क्राउड के अंदर ही। ओनली मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ।
Bad control, if you can cover that shirt over, please.
Pakistani shirt I need to cover.
Yes, please.
And who you are?
I work for Lancashire, Prem Singh.
And can you
I've been asked by control by Lancashire.
can you give me any written?
Yeah, so if you want, you can email the club.
No.
And then they will give you the
I need, because I paid the ticket.
Okay. So
I need your request or your order in the written format.
before you comply.
Yeah.
Okay.
Said an antagonistic, so we've asked you to put your coat on.
No. Why? This is my proud country. Why
I'm
are you
not
covering
saying
this?
it's not.
Why are you covering this like everybody's representing their country?
Okay. Do you need to? Can have a talk outside?
No. I'm sitting. No. Take me with the force if you can. You take me. I have paid the ticket.
Yep.
No Indian crowd have complained about me. I'm just watching the cricket match. I represent my country.
I understand that. Can we have a conversation outside of this crowd in a quieter area where it's just a bit
So
easier
what
to
is
have
a big issue?
conversation?
Is a big issue?
I'm not making a big issue. I'm asking you, can we go outside
The
of
match
the
is
stands?
starting in 10 minutes
I
now.
understand, so we've got 10 minutes to have a chat.